Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature, with another edition of your Real Estate Educational Fridays. Today's topic is how to use your equity for investing. You may have heard how people have used their home's equity and not their personal income to buy investments to get ahead. But what exactly is equity? Equity is the amount of money your home is worth today minus any outstanding debt or mortgage. Essentially, it is the amount of money you receive after you pay off that debt if you were to sell your home today. For example, if your home is worth $500,000 and you have an outstanding mortgage of $100,000, the equity you would have in that home is $400,000. Using this example, I can show you how investors are using their equity to fund their investments without actually selling their home. In this scenario, we are assuming that a bank is your lender. Banks lend up to 80% of your home's equity in the form of a secured home equity line of credit, or HELOC for short. Using the example we had earlier of the $400,000 equity you had in your home, a bank would give you a line of credit in the amount of $320,000. So that's $400,000 times 80%. The great thing about a HELOC is that it is a line of credit. You only get charged interest in the amount that you actually use. So even though $320,000 in this example would be available to you, you do not have to use all of it. Therefore, you don't have to pay interest on the full $320,000. You only pay the interest on the amount you actually use. And since a HELOC is a secured line of credit, you're using your home as collateral, you do benefit of having a lower interest rate when compared to an unsecured line of credit. Now that the HELOC is set up, you're able to use this line of credit for investment purposes. Can you say rental property, anybody? Another great thing about a HELOC is that the amount of interest that you pay to use that line of credit is tax deductible. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode of your Real Estate Educational Fridays. If you are thinking about maybe pulling some of your own equity for real estate investment purposes and want to know a little more details, please feel free to reach out. You can always call or text me at 416-876-9998 or email me at dcinelli@royallepage.ca. Have a great day. Bye for now.